here is the Android Auto from AliExpress. I can't remember the brand, EKYV something, and it is very good. You can make calls, you can navigate through Google Maps. So this one I've put it to show the satellite image. You can make calls. You can as well, so you see the recent contacts preferred, and then you can as well also with the TF card you can play your own music through here and listening through another Chinese product, hotspot, which is also very nice for making calls. And so that's it for the Domina 400.